Hello, I'm Joe Ironside, and I'm here on the seashore in Aberystwyth to wish you a happy Europe Day and to tell you a bit about the Ecostructure project. This is a collaboration between 5 universities in Ireland and Wales, and it's funded through the Ireland-Wales Cooperation Programme. Now, the idea behind Ecostructure is that we are investigating the effect that our responses to climate change are having on wildlife around our coast. As we know now, climate change is causing rises in sea levels and increased storminess, and our response to these challenges has been to build structures to protect our vital infrastructure. So sea walls and other devices to protect our coasts from erosion and flooding. Now the problem here is that these artificial structures generally provide habitat which is less good for our native wildlife and can also encourage settlement of non-native invasive species, which can be harmful both to human activities and to our native wildlife itself. So in Ecostructure we're doing a number of different things. We have mapped the hard coastal structures which have been put in place as coastal defences around our coastline and surveyed these structures to look at how wildlife is using these structures and how it compares to natural rocky shores. We've also looked at ways in which these structures can be improved with regard to their ability to support wildlife. So, for example, putting in place artificial rock pools which can encourage a greater diversity of life to settle on these artificial structures. We're now moving these investigations offshore as well and looking at the capacity for offshore structures such as wind turbines to provide habitat for wildlife such as fish and lobsters to live in. In addition to that, we're looking at these non-native species which might be using our artificial structures, and we're using methods such as environmental DNA analysis and hydrodynamic modelling to try and detect these organisms before they become a problem and to predict how putting new structures around our coast will cause these organisms to spread, and also how putting these structures around our coast might change the ways in which our native species move around the coast and alter the places in which they live. So that's just a taster of the kind of activities that we're doing for Ecostructure. If you want to find out more, please visit our website and you can find out all about what we're doing. So, happy Europe Day to everyone. I hope you have a very happy Europe Day from all of us at Ecostructure.